Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are safe and strong. By the way, thank you for visiting my channel. I truly appreciate it. This is a great comfort food, especially on rainy days. It is versatile as it can be eaten hot or cold, so you can enjoy it as afternoon snack and even for breakfast or as a dessert. It is a hearty and very nutritious at the same time. Plantain or cooking bananas and sweet potato are both good sources of fiber. They are also contain a good array of vitamins and minerals. This coconut dessert soup with glutinous rice and tapioca pearls, also known in the Philippines as Ginataang Bilo-bilo or Ginataang Halo-halo. So, without further ado, we will head on to our ingredients. 2 big sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed. 4 cups coconut milk. 2 to 3 cups water. 4 pieces plantain bananas, peeled and cubed. 4 cup sugar. 2 cups glutinous rice flour. 1 cup cooked tapioca pearls. 1 cup jackfruit cut into strips. Prepare the sticky rice balls by adding 1 cup of water to 2 cups glutinous rice flour. We will mix it till it forms a dough. We will then separate half of the dough, while the other half we will add food color. We will mix it and then scoop about half a spoon of the dough and form them into balls using our palms. We'll make it into small balls. Then we'll set them aside. In a pot, we'll combine coconut milk, sugar, 2 cups water, and bring to boil. We'll then add the sweet potato cubes and we'll cook it for 3 minutes, stirring occasionally till the sweet potato will almost tender. Once the sweet potato is tender, we'll put the banana, jackfruit, and then the tapioca pearls. We will now mix it together. We will add the glutinous rice that we formed into circles and wait further 15 minutes till it's cooked. For any request or suggestion, please leave a comment down below and I do answer all of my viewers. Also, for those watching now who haven't subscribed yet, it will be a great help to my channel in continuing my passion in cooking. If you can please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button as well. Here you go, our coconut dessert soup with glutinous rice and tapioca pearls. The best dessert. Enjoy! Again, stay safe. I appreciate you. Bye!